Today we're diving into the flavors of Peshawari Namkeen Gosht, a remarkably delicious and simple mutton dish. Let's begin by heating half a cup of oil and adding a tablespoon of ghee for that incredible aroma and flavor. Next, introduce the dry whole spices: 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon green cardamom, 1 teaspoon cloves, 4 black cardamom pods, 1 stick of cinnamon. Allow these spices to fry for 2 minutes over medium heat, releasing their aromatic essence. For this particular recipe, I prefer using bone-in mutton. However, lamb, goat, or even beef can be substituted. Once the spices emit a delightful fragrance, add 1 kilo of meat and a tablespoon of salt. To balance the spice level, I've used a few whole green chilies, about 4, as I prefer a milder heat. Though this dish incorporates minimal spices, its taste is incredibly rich and delightful. Let the meat fry gently for 10 minutes over low heat. Here, after 5 minutes, we'll add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Continue frying for an additional 5 minutes. Once the meat achieves a lovely color, pour in 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Cover with a lid and allow it to cook slowly for 2 hours. If you're using lamb, an hour will suffice. Once the meat is tender, reduce the liquid. Increase the heat to high for 3 or 4 minutes, ensuring only the oil remains. To conclude, garnish with fresh green chilies and coriander. It's time to serve. I recommend enjoying this dish over tandoori roti to absorb all the exquisite flavors. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're enticed to give this delightful recipe a try.